Welcome back, guys. It's Ben from Flow Brackets again. Today we've got in this beautiful W212 E63 AMG, and we're going to be doing an OEM plinth delete and replacing it with our miniature version. Let's get into it. Now, this car already came without an OEM plinth. It would have been removed at some stage of its life, whether it be a previous owner or the dealership. And what they've done is actually screwed the number plate directly into the bumper, so someone's already created holes. But the plate started to eat into the paint, and that's not good, and that's why you need one of our parts. But if you did have an OEM plinth on it, it would have looked something like this. You just remove the screws, pull it off, and then you're good to go. So this is our miniature plinth design. It's meant to go onto the bumper like so, and then it becomes a modular mounting block. But let me explain a little bit about this design. So the way that it's designed is actually quite smart. It's contoured to the curve or the apex of the bumper, and it's got these little 2 feet, so it helps you install it completely level, and it seats to the apex like that. But it's a lot smarter than that too. The way that the top is designed is on an angle so that rainfall falls off it. It's also got provisions on the back if you choose to nutsert it, which we will be doing today. So what you're going to have to do is align the 2 feet with the bottom ledge, self-seat it in the middle. It seats like that. There's also a line marker on the middle to align the apex. And once you're happy with the position, grab a writing instrument. I'm grabbing a silver Sharpie and mark out the 2 holes. Next, you're going to get your 3mm drill bit and put a small little pilot hole in the middle of the hole that you just marked out, like so. Now, usually this is the point where you can install your plinth on using the self-drilling screws provided in the kit. They're also made out of black stainless steel, but the customer has asked us today to nutsert this part, which is an optional extra. You don't need to do it, but it's definitely the best and most secure way to do it. So now that you've got your nutserts in, you can install your modular plinth with the M6 bolt. We're just going to plug up the leftover holes with some black stainless dress bolts. All right, so now that we've got our miniature plinth onto the car, the second part is to get a number plate bracket onto the car. So it'd be good to note that this is a 2-part mounting solution. You can't buy the miniature plinth by itself. You have to buy it with a matching number plate bracket. And now, what I mean by a matching number plate bracket is you need to find the matching number plate bracket that matches the style and size of your number plate. So for example, if you have Euro plates, you would bolt on Euro premium bracket. If you had JDM plates, then you would buy the JDM bracket and bolt that on and bolt it onto any height that you wanted. If you had standard plates, then you'd get your standard bracket and bolt that onto the plinth at any height you wanted. And if you had slimline or deluxe plates, you'd get a slimline bracket or SL2 bracket and bolt that on to the modular plinth. And that is our 2-part modular design. So today we'll be bolting on Victorian slimline plates that measure 372 by 100, which requires a SL2 bracket. And the last step is to get your number plate onto the bracket, and you can option, like this customer, some security screws, which is a bit of an anti-theft solution to your number plate. And that's the cleanest way you're going to get floating number plates onto an E63 AMG. Thanks guys, I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.